Introducing the Toyota Century SUV. Luxury and exclusivity redefined at $170,000. In a bid to elevate opulence to new heights, Toyota has transformed its revered Century into an SUV. Often hailed as Japan's answer to the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, this luxurious behemoth takes the Century's prestige to unprecedented levels. With a modest sales projection of only 30 units per month, the Century SUV is set to redefine exclusivity in the automotive world. However, this extravagance comes at a price, a substantial $170,000 or 25 million Sh. The Century SUV is an imposing presence. Featuring a commanding stance with distinctive split horizontal headlights reminiscent of the Genesis Mark, it dwarfs its sedan counterpart in size, measuring 197.8 inches in length, 78.3 inches in width, and 71 inches in height. Notably, it seats for individuals instead of the sedan's 5, offering a more spacious and luxurious experience. With a generous wheelbase of 116.1 inches and a weight of 5,665 pounds, this SUV boasts remarkable proportions. Ease of access to the lavish rear seats is paramount, and Toyota has left no stone unturned in ensuring this. The Century SUV is equipped with grab handles on the C-pillars, electrically deployable side steps, and rear doors that open to a 75-degree angle for added convenience. Minivan-style electric sliding rear doors are also available, as showcased in an intriguing GR-badged variant during the presentation. Just like its sedan counterpart, the Century SUV proudly dons the prestigious Phoenix emblem, forsaking the Toyota badge. Underneath its opulent veneer lies the TNGA platform, enhanced to augment torsional rigidity and elevate ride comfort. Toyota has even gone the extra mile by fitting clear laminated glass on the cabin side of the cargo space separator, ensuring a serene environment for rear passengers. Furthermore, the rear comfort mode optimizes driving and braking forces to minimize disturbances for those reclining in the rear. At the heart of this automotive masterpiece lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain, centered around a 3.5-liter V6 engine mated to a CVT and all-wheel drive, courtesy of a rear-mounted electric motor with a combined output of 406 horsepower. It stands on par with the Lexus TX 550 Hours Plus. However, enthusiasts may lament the absence of the sedan's revered 5.0-liter V8 engine. Incidentally, the Century sedan's second generation remains Toyota's sole production model to feature a V12 engine. The Century SUV will be available at select dealerships in Japan, with plans to offer extensive customization options for truly unique creations. Rest assured, the iconic Century sedan will continue to hold its place in the market. In summary, the Toyota Century SUV redefines luxury and exclusivity, taking the legacy of the Century to soaring new heights with meticulous craftsmanship, opulent features, and a price tag to match. It sets a new benchmark in the realm of automotive grandeur.